Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Welcome to the next big idea. An incredible journey of innovation, passion, and game-changing ideas. Let's see what this team brings to the table.
We are Team Root Riders from Tamil Nadu. We are an alumni of Smart India Hackathon Grand Finalists. Our idea mainly focuses on reducing the city pressure. The main problem which we are facing right now is the scarcity of availability of parking slots. Even though we know that there are parking slots in few places, we don't know how to gather information about it, and we just park it on the roads and all, which increases the traffic of the city. So this is our main thing. We have pre-booking car parking slots. You can book that through our website.
So the features in our apps are smart parking system, and then truck pooling, car pooling, and also we have some links for DigiLocker, tourist guides and all. So what is truck pooling is, there will be many vehicles traveling in the highways or inside the cities, but not with full load in them. Some may have 50% or 30%. So we will make these drivers to contact each other through our app, and they can transfer the low amount of goods to the another vehicle. So less vehicles will be traveling through the city, which will reduce the carbon emission, traffic, and helps for the cities reduce the city pressure. And we have carpooling, which is quite common but not in all the places, where the passengers will be changed instead of the goods. Then we have smart parking, where we'll indicate the parking slots nearby you. Through that you can book your parking before you go there, so that there won't be any rush near the stores or wherever you want to park. We have a application for DigiLocker, where you can store your documents related to the travel, and you have maps for helping you to see the nearby hotels, ATMs and all. And we also have porter systems, and we have tourist guides. Like if you want to see any tourist places nearby you, you can click in our app and it will guide you.
Now we want to talk about the most important thing is the financial model. So what is the revenue generation in our app? So we just display the multiple ads, like outside app like Puma, like some other clothes ads like groceries or highway hotels ads, we just display ads. So if instead of is one of the way of our revenue generation. So the second revenue generation, we just have we begin to give rewards like coupons on the basis of milestone. The people used to cover the carpooling. If a person covers 1,000 kilometers or it's a 500 to 1,500, he gets a rewards. So these rewards or coupons are covered, which can be redeemed at highway hotels, petrol bunks. So these are the most important revenue models.
And we have the competitions, like Porter app is already there for Porter, and there are blah blah and Blackbug, but we have everything in the same application, which makes the customer or the person convenient, and it is so affordable compared to other apps. So compared to other competitors, we have everything in the same application.
Very good concept. This is the problem, but there are few challenges with this idea. Let me tell you why and what. Number one, let's suppose if there is a truck who is carrying some load from X company, is not allowed to transfer load in between to any another truck until and unless company already given them the permission. So this is technically not possible. So imagine like this. Let's suppose if you are transferring your material from one place to another place, do you even want your material to switch from one truck to another? Then who will take the responsibility of transferring the material from one truck to another? And probably there, like, stealing can happen, like people can steal the products, which you cannot do anything. This is also one of the biggest problems in the logistics industry. People do this kind of stuff, where companies are losing a lot of money. You cannot even imagine the way they did. You know, they are just opening the top roof of the truck and they are getting materials out. So now you are talking about transferring in between, which is very hard to do. Second is, your concept is good. You are trying to sort of like mixing Revigo, Blackbug, Porter together, but it's very hard to do. It's not doable. And for me, according to me, it's not even necessary. It's not even needed. Yeah, parking slot, ParkPlus is doing it. But for trucks, probably there is no relevant solution. But some trucks, in that cases, they have the places, they know their routes are fixed, they will get some specific places where they will park their truck. So first, I think you guys need to work around more on the problem statement little bit. Just try to refine it. It's good that you have prototype, you are thinking in this way. This is very good progress. But I want you to give it a thought again. Is it really a legit problem? Do you really think this problem exists? And how you can know it? Like, the only way to do it is just go and talk to the people who actually need this solution, like truck drivers. They don't even, you are talking about giving chat option in the application. Probably they do not even have the smartphone. So challenges are there, but it's great that you guys are at least trying to do something in the very unorganized market. Thanks a lot.
I agree with Ashutosh. The thing is that start with the basic. Don't aggregate everything in one place, which is not required because others are doing that. Because now you are new to this market. If I'm the end user, I will trust the already, market players, right? I will go with blah, blah. Just pick up the small basic thing and work on that and make it first market mover like that. Thank you.
Yeah, so almost the same thing. You guys are trying to do a lot of things in one platform, which is generally not advisable because, in the beginning phases of a startup, you should pick up any problem that is probably either not unsolved or not solved efficiently. So like the car parking problem, I think you should focus on that only in the start. And when you are able to gain a sustainable amount of customers, when you are getting some revenue from that, then only you need to expand. Because as far as the truck pooling is concerned, there are a lot of issues with that. There are issues of stealing the content, or the content might get hampered, or there are a lot of issues. Okay, there are a lot of logistical challenges in that. And as far as carpooling is concerned, like BlaBla is a leader in that. Okay, so it's not only about whether you can provide the same service or not, it's about trust also. So like if I take a cab from here through BlaBla, I trust like BlaBla. But if a new service come all along, I'll not trust it, because initially I also doubted BlaBla also. But now it's an established player. So you should take a problem, that parking one, and you should start with it. When you are able to attain a sustainable customer base, then only you need to expand to other services. Like focus on one thing and then you expand it. It'll be much easier. Okay? Thank you.
Thanks for the comments.
And now it's time for judges' opinion about the pitch. So, it was a good one.